Hey everybody, welcome to Wake Up and Live with Bob. It's been a long time since I've had a stovetop conversation with you guys, and I really wanted to do this. I miss doing cooking videos, so I just want to do a revisit of the stovetop conversations. If Before I begin though, if you haven't yet done so, please like, share, and subscribe to my videos, and please tell someone about them. I really do need your subscription. All right. I'm struggling, and I really do need your subscription. All right. So today, I just want to say to you, if you are a Jamaican or a Trinidadian, a Trini, or from Barbados, a Bajan, or Guyana, or any of those Caribbean countries where there's a large Indian population, I know you know how important the curry seasoning, curry spice is to your local dishes, which are pretty much the same, across the board. Jamaica has some that are more popular than most of the other Caribbean countries, like the curry goat and curry chicken and stuff like that. But pretty much we all do the same thing. But Jamaica is more out there than a lot of Caribbean countries, so we we more identify some of those with the Jamaican cuisine. However, I it's important that we discuss this because a lot of times people, especially expatriates living abroad, they think they can cook certain ways like we do on the island, and it is not necessarily so. If you know what you're doing, you can actually make it happen just as good as many on the island. So today I want to look at curry, and now why am I talking about curry? You would be surprised actually to know how easy it is to make the spice itself, the mixture. Curry essentially came from Asia itself, India particularly, but the curry is not a Asian word. It's actually an English word. All right, it's a the Asian form of it is actually masala. All right, which is actually a combination of the same things that actually make curry. Now, a lot of people think curry is primarily turmeric, and that's so because it gives that turmeric gives it that yellow color. But I just want to quickly go over with you a basic ingredients because there's curry and there's curry and there's curry. All right, and your curry can be especially tasteful according to how you want it. So I want to look at the basic ingredients for I'd say the basic curry used in Jamaica then. And you'd be surprised how simple it is to make. And you might be wondering, why do I need to make my own curry when I could buy it in a store? Believe me, when you combine the curry itself, it tastes totally different. All right, so let's get started. Let me show you basic ingredients first before we begin. Okay. All right, so hope you can all see this. All right, so you see for the basic curry, we're looking at turmeric, cumin, garlic powder, coriander, which is basically the seeds of the cilantro plant, which sometimes we refer to as Chinese basil or basil, whichever pronunciation you use. And the last ingredient is salt. So we're looking at just for basic meal you're preparing, 1.5 teaspoons, tablespoon rather, of turmeric, 1.5 tablespoon of cumin, 1.5 tablespoon garlic powder. I'm sorry, half a spoon garlic powder, half a spoon coriander. Again, it's the grind up cilantro seeds, and half a tablespoon of salt. All right, that would be a basic ingredient. All right, so just in case you don't believe me, hope you can see this. This ingredients on Jamaican curry. Look at that. Turmeric, cumin, salt, coriander, garlic, and spices. And I'll show you some suggestion you can use for spices just to make your own particular brand of curry. All right. All right. So first thing you need, the ground up turmeric. This in this plate is the basic ingredients for the curry. 1, turmeric. 2, cumin. 3, garlic powder. 4, I have here, I put some black pepper in there. You can use chili powder if you want, but I put black pepper. 5, I have the salt. It's hard to see in the middle here, but you see that white thing in here. That's the salt. 6, that's the coriander over there. When you mix all of that together, this is the basic curry that you're getting right here. See the color? All right, it's not as orange anymore because you've added all these things in, and this is what it looks like. And that's the basic curry color. You can see I took it from this bottle so you can see. All right, now if you want to make your curry extra jazzy, you can add stuff like if you want to add like pimento seeds, we call them allspice. You know, you grind up your own pimento seeds, or you buy the already ground up one. Sometimes, you know, my thing is when you grind it up from the seeds, it holds the essence a whole lot more. All right, you can add, if you want, nutmeg to it, believe it or not. But if you wanted a little more reddish or a certain type of color, you can add paprika. You understand? You can add cayenne pepper if you want it to be like a spicy or a hot curry. You can add a little cinnamon if you want. All of these things will be up to you how you want your curry to taste. I want to tell you something. If you don't have the pimento or the allspice, the cloves, ground up cloves, taste just like the allspice or the pimento. All right, so here you have it, just the list of what you'd actually need to make a basic curry. Turmeric, cumin, garlic powder, salt, the cilantro or the coriander. You can also use, you can also use a dry cilantro and grind up the leaves if you don't have the coriander powder at the same time. All right, and there you have it. That's the basic curry. Now this will make your food taste the way you want it. All right, you don't have to depend on buying a ready-made curry, which most of the times, not going to beat up on anyone, but most of the times it loses the essence because of the processing. So you do it yourself, and you will find that you get your own great flavor of curry, and then you can jazz it up however you want it. Curry, again, it simply means spices, a combination of spices. All right, and you can make your own. All right, so thanks again for watching. This is Wake Up and Live with Bob, and I hope you found this to be very useful. My next video will be on how to make your own dry jerk seasoning, because a lot of people think they can't do nice jerk pork or jerk chicken or whatever it is you like to jerk. You can. All right, so watch out for the next video with how to make your jerk seasoning. So I want to thank you again for joining me with this one on making the curry. Thanks again for watching.